If you want or if you are interested in making money on YouTube, please watch this video until you know all requirements needed to make money on YouTube. Firstly, if you want to make money on YouTube, you should have at least 1,000 subscribers and have either 400 watch time hours of your videos or have at least 1 million views on your YouTube shorts. You should also follow YouTube community guidelines and live in eligible country, and also your videos must not be made for kids or be said that are made for kids. If you need to see other ways to make money on YouTube and how to make your YouTube channel so beautiful, please make sure you subscribe to our channel to keep watching videos to make your channel so beautiful.